Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a happy Memorial Day. Um, Memorial Day is real special to me. My dad was in the Army for 33 years, and along with several other family members also in the service. So those types of holidays, your Veteran Day, 4th of July, and Memorial Day, they're kind of important to me. So I didn't do anything in the garden yesterday. So we're outside this morning and we're going to do some walking around to see what is going on and if we need to do anything. Okay, here we're looking at my Excelsior cucumbers and they have really grown. I think these have been out maybe about a month and they're almost to about 3/4 of the way to this obelisk. I'm going to be having cucumbers or fruit soon, and I'm really excited and happy with this process. And my tomatoes are coming along well also. Um, they're getting taller and they seem to be filling out more. I have a few what looks like blooms are starting to come up, so hopefully next month we have tomatoes and we can have some good old tomato salads. Okay, here are my Black Beauty zucchinis. We're starting to get formation of male flowers. Male flowers always come out first, and then the female flowers are following them along. So far, so good. Next to it, we have our squash, and we have male flowers also. Hopefully, these particular plants will grow bigger, and we'll start having female flowers soon, and I can pollinate them and have my fruit growing. These are dwarf sunflower seeds, a different variety that I planted previously. Um, they're coming up and coming along. Here are my bush beans, and they've coming along. They're growing, starting to branch out. Hopefully, they will continue to do so, and we will have beans soon. The variety of this is called top crop. These are my purple collards, and this one is in the barrel by itself, and it's getting real big. Okra, okra flowers are so pretty, and here's one. This is my no-name okra. I got it from a friend of mine at Lazy Dog Farm. It's was sent to him by a person whose last name was Ruiz. So I call it the no-name okra, and I've harvested from this several times. The pods are always tender. Um, I haven't had one. I usually harvest them anywhere between 4 to 6 inches. I haven't grown one more than 6 inches. Um, my previous experience with other varieties, if you grow them larger than 6 inches, they become woody. So far, so good. Well, thank you for coming along. We did a real quick tour to see what's going on since I haven't been out in the garden in a couple days, and I'm happy with the way that everything looks. We're going to get up and water the plants. It's not overly hot today like it normally is. It's actually kind of cloudy. It's supposed to rain, but I'm going to go ahead and give them a quick drink to ensure that they get their moisture for the day. If you're interested in any of the plants, I'm sorry, the seeds or anything that I use, you can head over to my Amazon storefront or you can go to my website. I'll put a link for my website on the screen. Um, the links for both of them are in the description portion of the video. If you're interested in joining or following my channel, please consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow a channel without your help. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. You can also follow me on my Facebook group page, Small Space Gardening, where you can meet um, fellow gardeners like yourself and me who have a passion for growing but are only limited by space. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Always remember to give God the thanks, for without him, we are nothing.